G'day! In today's video I've got this device called a Moto Pro, which is a diagnostic tool for motorbikes. And this one apparently has had some issue with the port here, and smells, they said it smells burnt and it no longer communicates via that port. So I just want to simply open it up and see. So I'm going to use a small Phillips head screwdriver right here. And I want to take the back off to give it a visual inspection. I'm pretty doubtful as much I can do, but we'll see. Whoop. All these screws seem to be of the same length. And what I'm basically expecting to find is a fairly rugged, basically cheap Android tablet inside of here. One under here. One under here. And this back just come off, I wonder? Yep, simply like that. I'm going to assume in here is the battery. One battery connector. One speaker connector. No, we have a bit more than just an Android tablet, that's for sure. What did I speak too soon? What brand have we got under here? This would be the Android tablet side of things, and this would be the diagnostic side of things. Yeah, man. Brand I'm not familiar with. Righto. Let's see what I can see. That looks like there's something there. What have we got? Bit of flux there, I reckon. So it's obviously something's happened to that in the past. That's it. Pins are right. Sadly, nothing is really standing out to me as faulty. How hard it is to take the other side of this board out, and if there's anything on this other side of this board, or a single-sided PCB. Either way, we're here now, might as well continue. I can cheat. Yep, I'm looking very single-sided. Got some light in there. All I'm seeing on there is foam pads. And then a spring came out of there. Where did you come from? burn on there or anything. There we go. So not much more information we're seeing. No, bugger. Let me get this back together. Ah, the spring must have came off that button. That's where we came from. Cool. There's a blast with an air compressor, but I don't think that's really going to help too much. Now in theory, lock. There we go. There we go, now we're in. Cord still connected down here, yes. So I'm back in. So I'm just going to reassemble it. There's not much, nothing further that I can do to this. Apart from get it back together and give them the bad news. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we got a speaker to connect back up here, and a battery. One battery. One speaker. And now I'm just going to put those screws back in. So sadly, nothing that I can do with that one. Hopefully you get to see what you want to see in there, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.